In this video, I'm going to show you how to add background in Rentry. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is have some content. So I just have a hello there heading over here, just so you'll be able to see how this looks. And then you want to go to metadata down here, and this is where everything happens, okay? So you want to go into example, and in here you have a bunch of different commands. So here you have like the container inner background color, you have the background images, you have the foreground colors, etc. So the easiest one to actually put for a background, you want to go with this one, which has container inner background color, and copy it, and then you want to paste it inside metadata like this, and you want to delete where it says transparent. Now from here, you could go and just do a random color. So for example, I can type in blue, and if I go to preview, as you can see, it's going to give it like a blue background, okay? Now that's one way. However, there's also a lot of different color codes which you can get if you go to how over here. So I'm going to open this in a separate tab. I'm going to go into the how, and then here it says color list. You want to click on this, and then you will get a bunch of different colors. So here you can select whichever color you want. For example, if I want this corn silk, I'm just going to copy this hashtag code over here, go back, and then put it in here. If I go to preview, there we go. It's now changed the background color, okay? Of course, that's one way to do it. There's also other options. You have like this container outer background color, and then you have like, for example, purple, and there's like a bunch of different ones you could do. So of course, yeah, you could do any of these, and some of these will change different things. So the foreground color will like change the color in the front. This will basically be the background image. So if you want like an image for the background, you can do this too. And then I could do like, for example, let's do one more example. I'm going to do this container outer background color, and then I'm going to do purple, just like it is over here. I'm going to paste this one in a separate line. If I go to preview, there we go. As you can see, this is going to change the entire background over here. So if I put this out of here, for example, everything is going to be purple except for, of course, this kind of inner block where I'm currently writing, etc. Okay, so you kind of get the point. This is how you can achieve this, and if you want them to be the same, of course, you can just name them like purple like this. And if you're looking just for like plain background, these two are usually going to be what you're looking for. So the container inner background color, and then the container outer background color. So yeah, of course, play around, and then you can find your ideal background. Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.